amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel, you're Cheshire Marge. I thought I would go through a little bit, first of all, of the Christmas haul of Lego and Lego-esque products.
First, he wants to apologise though.
Apologise for what?
More Lego.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, yeah, you're going to get bored to tears for the next 6 months. Right, so, the genuine Lego set that I got, which is the Harry Potter. This is the Privet Drive Aunt Marge's visit. I liked it because of the house. It's one of my favourite scenes in all of the Harry Potter movies because I love the actors in it. So I thought I would get this set. So I had this for Christmas. I also got a little Lego Creator one, which I'm going to put together and then I'm going to give away. Then I got, let's start off with this one. So this is from my sister-in-law. This is the mini blocks, octopus in a bottle. There's all different types in the bottle. This is the octopus in a bottle, I like that. We've got the, this is a different brand. I don't know how to pronounce that. Small particle building blocks. So this is a kitty that looks like our Ripley. This one then is the Anko, which is the Walmart's own brand of mini blocks. We've got the Husky, which looks like Bowie.
Hello, dog.
Hello, Bowie. There you are there. We've also got the Street Mini. So this is a mini street of like cats. Very, very Japanese, that is. We've got, oh yes, we've got the giant tuxedo cat in mini blocks, which is going to take forever. We've got the mini blocks cherry blossom tree house, which I think is really, really pretty. That'll look nice when it's put together. And then this one, which I am desperately looking forward to, is Chernobyl. So, for to Dementia. So this is the Chernobyl before and after 2-in-1. So this is Chernobyl before, and then you can take it off, and then you have Chernobyl after, which, yeah, I mean, it's very serious. But anyway, we loved the series, didn't we? So I got this as a gift from my friend. Me! So yeah, so this is 1,768 tiny little pieces of Chernobyl.
Don't know if it's mini bricks, but they're normal. I think they're normal bits.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, for all those pieces. Yeah. So that is one that I'm really looking forward to. I don't know if it's got
dimensions on it or what, but
no. 26th of the 4th, 1986.
That's when it happened. Yeah.
That's when it happened.
Sound underneath? Not a lot.
No, it doesn't.
Not suitable for kids under 3 years. Oh, I shouldn't have got you it.
Oh well, never mind. So the first one, I'm going to clear all of this away, and we're going to put together the genuine Lego set of Harry Potter Privet Drive. So that's the one that we're going to put together today. So let me get this cleared away, and we'll crack on in have a look at the set first.
Yeah, this is only 639 pieces. It's half the size.
It's half. I've got room on the shelf for it. That's why I thought it would be perfect.
What, that shelf? One of them?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here we go. A&E. Have you ever seen any of the Harry Potter movies?
No. I've read one book and I couldn't get into it.
Oh, so this is an old set because it's still in single-use plastic. But they are numbered. We've got some stickers. More stickers. Oh, look at that. We got one book for 1, 2, and 3, and then another book for 4, 5, and 6. So unlike the other ones that we do, this one should be really good with the colours on it and everything.
We did a Lego one the other day and it still couldn't get the colours right.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we did, didn't we? So we got 2 booklets. This one is all the base plates that I need.
Lego spent so much money on the actual Lego, they cheaped out on their ink for their printer.
Yep. 2 of them, 3 of them. So we'll start off with book 1. And we should, yeah. So book 1 starts off with the Harry Potter figure.
Right.
So there's a
Spudger.
head. Oh look, a green spudger.
That's not green, that's blue.
Well, it's like a turquoise.
Same as your t-shirt.
Turquoise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blue.
Now, shall we have Harry Potter angry or loving happy? Harry Potter's hair.
You're trying to grip the bloody plastic.
And Harry Potter's legs. And
actually, I'll tell you what might be an idea. If you go and get a tub for all these little bits,
oh yeah,
and they won't end up on the floor.
And
unless I knock the whole thing
wand?
over. There, probably, or there.
No, it's little and brown.
Little and brown. Bowie, where'd you put it?
He's eating it up his bum.
Oh, it might be here somewhere. Hang on. There's a little one there.
Yeah, that's it. No.
Well, you said brown.
It's got.
Let's have a look. Where is it? What?
I don't know if it's brown, but it's got. Is it on a pack?
I don't know. That's what I'm looking at. There's 2 there. Ah, oh, is it that? Oh, there's another small one there and another small one there.
Oh, I don't know. We'll come across the wands anyway. So there we go.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
There. That thing, I think.
Oh, yeah. So why is it... Oh, he's got 2 wands. Right, okay. I don't know who the other wand is for.
Hmm.
Hold on a minute. I'll put the 2 in his hand.
Do you keep wondering that?
Wah, wah, wah. Right. Let me go get you a little tub.
Tubster.
Little tubster. And we'll do this in fast forward.
Because nobody wants to actually watch it.
Nope.
It's a fun one.
Okay, we've done the first booklet. We've got coffee. We've got Marks and Spencer's jacket, which full isn't it?
No.
Grateful shit. So we've done the first part of the house. There's a long hair there. It's not mine.
Not mine.
Right, okay, so and it's really nice. It was really nice to put together because it wasn't one of those stupid mini sets. I mean, those lovely little mini sets. And that looks really good. That really does look like number 4 Privet Drive from the outside, and they've squashed into such a small space quite a lot of little detail on there.
Oh, now I see why it's set into 2, because you're doing the other half of the house.
Yeah. And this is, I can't remember Dursley, the character, the boy, full of chocolate and cakes, and he's got a computer and a laptop and a TV and everything.
What his name is called Dawn.
And then Harry, of course, just lives under the stairs. We've got the detail there of a letter in the fireplace. So yeah, very, very nice detail on it. They've put a lot in a tiny little space, which I really like. So now we crack on. Oh, we've got some characters. We've got Privet Drive and we've got Hedwig there. we've got Harry Potter, we've got Mrs. Dursley, and we've got the Dursley son, which I can't remember the name of again, because I've got dementia. So anyway, so we've done that. So now we're going to crack on to book number 2 and devour these biscuits. Right, okay, we've done it. So we've got it all together, and then you can open it up like so. And then we've got the Dursley boy, got Harry Potter, Mr. Dursley in the bog, Mrs. Dursley. We've got Aunt over there before, and that's just my favourite little bit, is that character there where she's blown up and she's floating off. Really, really nice little set. Lots of details on it for such a small set. There's the conservatory there, I thought was very nice. And then underneath here is where we got Harry living under the stairs. Not a replica of the film, but there's his room under the stairs so you can see. Put that down. Joints together there very nicely. Lots of details all over it. That tree's a bugger, keeps falling over. As you can see, very nice. And we've also got that as well with Privet Drive. So there we go, guys. What did you think of that, Phil?
Yeah, it's all right.
The instructions are really good putting it together, weren't they? Oh, he's got a Lego companion. Bowie, are you Uncle Phil's Lego companion? Bless him. Oh, there's a little... You're my Lego companion too, but you eat pieces. So you can't jump up because you're a little mosher. So there we go, guys. Thank you very much. I love this. I'm going to put this in the unit with the rest of my Lego creator set. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.